So what is Thinglink? Thinglink is a multimedia resource that allows you to take an image and transform it into an interactive learning tool. You can use images, videos, 360-degree virtual reality images or videos, but for our purposes this week, we're just going to focus on using one single image to create an interactive experience. Once you set up your Thinglink account, I highly recommend just kind of surfing around their website and checking out their 360-degree image library, maybe watching some of their teacher training videos, and just checking out the lay of the land. To show you how Thinglink works, I have a few examples here. This one, I believe, was actually created by a student. And this is a Thinglink on fairy tale elements. So this is how Thinglink works. You take a base image, and this particular image is that of a castle. And what you do is you add tags to that image. And your tags can be other images. Your tags can be text, like this one. Here's an image, another image. You could also add video. So if I go down here, you can see that this creator added some video. But these tags will be links, or they will include other information or other multimedia resources. So in this particular Thinglink, the tags are used to describe elements of a fairy tale. So for instance, if we look here in this little turret, one of the characteristics of a fairy tale is good and evil, and the creator has created some tags that show a picture of good versus a picture of evil. So as you can see, it's a very visual process, and the viewer of the image is constantly interacting with it in some way. So let's take a look at our froggy here. This is another example of a Thinglink, and this one uses tags that are text. So it describes the habitat of the frog, and the reproduction of the frog. So it basically tells a little story about our froggy here. Our last example of a Thinglink is a Thinglink that was created by a teacher for her students related to landforms. In this example, the teacher included two tags on each image. One is a 360-degree view of whatever the landform is, and the other is either an aerial view, or in this situation, a link to a video with elephants in a plane. So there's an integration of a variety of multimedia resources in this particular Thinglink. Our last example is actually a poster that is taken from just being a plain old poster to an interactive multimedia resource. So this is called Healthy Eating for Preschoolers, and you can hover over and actually put a soundbite to a song or yourself speaking. You can put a link to another diagram, which is what is done here. There's a video linked here. I'm just actually hovering over these tags to show you, but you can click on them and actually watch the video. One final tag on this poster is actually a link to a game, My Plate Food Group Match game. So this just kind of gives you an idea of all of the resources that you can add to your Thinglink. So let's get started.